Hi guys, this is MaxBot. In this video, I want to share information about trading with the best artificial intelligence in 2026, which provides accurate signals. For beginners, a neural network offers new opportunities, and when combined with human trading logic, you can achieve good results in the currency pairs market. Now, using two real trades as an example, we'll see how the free trading tool works. By the way, you can get this tool forever using the link in the description. Okay, let's begin the trading session. In the trading bot interface, I select a currency pair. Let's use the British pound and Japanese yen. After that, I switch to the Binodex broker and preset this currency pair from the list. The investment amount for the first trade will be $600, and I'll set the expiration time to 1 minute. Now all I have to do is go back to the trading bot interface and press the expiration time button for 1 minute. As you can see, the artificial intelligence is preparing a forecast, and after analyzing the market, the bot has signaled that the price will go down. Well, now I'm switching to Binodex, carefully studying the chart, and deciding to open a bearish trade based on the signal from the free trading bot. Friends, let me show you my entry logic for this trade. Notice the local resistance area from which the price is retracing downwards. With this price movement, I'm confident my trade will be profitable. I'd like to emphasize that even if you're using a proven trading bot, you should still use your own trading logic and develop your technical analysis skills. I'll repeat that you can now get this neural network for free and use an unlimited number of signals. You'll have access to the full functionality of artificial intelligence. Follow the link in the description to access the trading bot interface and follow its instructions to connect to the tool permanently. If you have any questions, please contact our manager. They will help you register and verify with the Binodex broker. I'll leave a link to the manager in the description below the video. Okay, let's note that my first trade ended in profit. Great start! The neural network is working well. Now I'll open a second trade on the 5-minute time frame and invest $700 according to the money management rules. Guys, let's change the currency pair. I'll take the euro and the US dollar. Again, it's very simple. Go to the bot interface, press 2 buttons, and wait for a signal. After analysis, the artificial intelligence predicts that the price will go up. I return to the broker and open a trade in accordance with the signal and my trading logic. While trading is in progress, let's talk about the benefits of artificial intelligence for trading and how beginners can use modern trading technologies correctly. But before that, I'd like to ask you to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the bell so you don't miss new videos. My channel publishes videos that will help you achieve good results and boost your deposit. Also, please let me know in the comments if you've had any experience trading with artificial intelligence and what results you've achieved. Friends, today I want to talk about how neural networks can be used in the currency pair market and why, in 2026, artificial intelligence is gradually becoming an additional tool even for beginner traders. In the past, beginners had to analyze huge numbers of charts on their own, monitor indicators, look for patterns, and constantly evaluate changes in market conditions. Today, some of this work can be delegated to modern algorithms capable of quickly processing large amounts of data, combining technical indicators, analyzing price dynamics, volatility, and other market parameters. Guys, now I want to show you the logic behind entering this trade. Pay attention to the key support area. Buyers are accumulating in this zone, and the price is bouncing back from the last low. I think the trend will rise, and my trade will close with a profit. But there is one important thing to understand. A neural network should not completely replace the trader. On the contrary, the most sensible approach is to combine the capabilities of artificial intelligence with your own trading logic. Developing this basic logic should be one of the main goals for any beginner. You do not need to master every strategy and indicator available. What matters much more is understanding under which conditions you consider entering a trade, what confirms a potential price movement, when it is better to stay out of the market, and what level of risk you are prepared to accept. After that, artificial intelligence can be used as an additional analytical tool that helps process information faster and identify potentially interesting situations on the chart. However, even the most advanced neural network cannot guarantee profit on every individual trade, which is why proper money management is essential. And here we have a simple rule that I always recommend keeping in mind. You should not invest more than 3% of your total deposit in a single trade. This approach prevents your entire trading result from depending on one decision and gives you the opportunity to continue trading after an unsuccessful position. Imagine that artificial intelligence generates a signal, your technical analysis confirms it, but the position size remains under control. This is exactly how technology should work together with discipline, rather than replacing it. So, in 2026, a beginner does not need to become a professional analyst in just a few days. It is much more useful to establish clear rules, learn how to read the chart, define your own entry and exit conditions, and then connect a neural network as an assistant. Ultimately, we get a combination of three elements: human logic, artificial intelligence, and proper money management. And in my opinion, this combination is far more important than constantly searching for some perfect strategy that supposedly eliminates losses completely. And there is another major advantage of neural networks that I want to highlight, especially when it comes to analyzing the news background. We all understand that currency pair prices are influenced not only by technical factors, but also by important economic and political events. Interest rate decisions, inflation data, employment reports, central bank statements, elections, geopolitical developments, and other major events can quickly change market sentiment and affect the balance between buyers and sellers. For a beginner, constantly monitoring this information can become a real routine and requires a lot of time and experience to understand how a particular event might influence the market. This is where modern neural networks can become a useful analytical assistant. They can process large amounts of news information, identify the overall market sentiment, compare current events with previous situations, and evaluate how the news background may affect a particular currency pair. As a result, a beginner does not have to spend hours manually searching through economic and political news before every potential trade. I'd like to remind you that this trading tool I'm currently using can be obtained for free via the link in the description. As a bonus, along with the trading bot, you'll receive free access to a private VIP chat. In this community, a professional trader trades daily with the team and provides market entry signals. Technical analysis is performed on every trade. In other words, you can trade with the team and develop your trading logic by learning from a professional. To get free access to VIP chat and the trading session schedule, contact our support manager. Guys, in the meantime, my second trade has come to an end and I got a good result. Thanks to accurate signals from artificial intelligence and technical analysis, even a beginner can get stable results. I repeat once again that the bot can be obtained for free via the link in the description. The tool will remain with you forever. Trade rationally, stick to the trading plan and use the rules of money management. This was MaxBot Channel. Bye.